Hi everyone. If you have been using C for a period of time, you might be familiar with structs. If not, so this video might be for you. So basically structs is a data structure where you can store a group of data types. For example, integers, characters, floats, strings in one single data structure. So to make things more clear, let's take for instance football. In football, each team or every team has 11 players, 10 normal players, and one goal and a goalkeeper. So let's say or let's suppose that we want to store the information or the data of every player. So how we are supposed to do this? So I think the right solution for this problem is gonna be structs, using structs. So let's create our first structs. First we're gonna write the keyword struct and let's name it player as you want, player. And now let's fill information. So let's say a player has name, char, name. Let's say a name can hold 15 characters. And the same thing with the last name, can hold 15 characters. And the age, int age. And the birth, int birth. So this is our new data type called struct player. So every player has these items, or they all share the same information: name, last name, age, birth. So now let's start creating the information of our first player. So let's let's write struct player. So this is from now on, this is the type we're gonna working with, struct player. So let's name it player one, and let's start filling the information of the player one. Yeah. So as you can see, when I write the dot or the point, it shows me this list, and this list belongs to this one, to this data type we created, struct player. So in this case, I need a name. So this is a name. So let's give him a name, like Cristiano. And the same thing with the last name, Ronaldo. And now let's go to the age and the birth. So player one, age equal to 37. Player one, birth, it will be 1985. So now we have created, or we have filled the data of the first player. So now let's print the result. Print %s for strings and %d for integers. %s, %s, player name, player one, last name. And now Go to the age and birth. The same thing. Let's copy and paste it here. Change here %d and here also %d age and here the birth. So just like this, we finished filling the information of the first player. So let's execute the program and see what we're gonna get. So yeah, as you can see, we got Cristiano Ronaldo, age 37, and the year of birth 1985. And so yeah, you can duplicate or create many players as as long as you want. So let's try with another player. Let's copy the same thing. We need just to change the names. Let's say player 2, player 2. Let's say Lionel Messi, Lionel Messi, age 30. Lionel Messi, the age 34, 1989. So yeah, so you can create as long as you want or as many as you want. So with this method using structs, it's gonna be more efficient and more clear. So this is for today's video. I hope you get enjoyed and you learned new stuff, and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. I hope this a little introduction went good and smooth, and hope you all the best. Thank you for watching. Peace.